Welcome to today's video. If you are passionate about style and elegance, you are in for a treat. Luxury handbags are more than just accessories. They are investments, status symbols, and timeless pieces of art. In this guide, we will explore the most iconic brands, must-have designs, and why these handbags remain coveted year after year. Whether you are an avid collector or dreaming of your first luxury purchase, we have got you covered. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into luxury fashion and investment-worthy finds. Now, let us dive into the glamorous world of luxury handbags. 1. Hermès Birkin, the pinnacle of luxury. No luxury handbag guide is complete without mentioning the Hermès Birkin. Known for its exclusivity and exceptional craftsmanship, the Birkin is a symbol of ultimate sophistication. Each bag is handcrafted and can take up to 48 hours to complete. With limited availability and a hefty price tag starting at $10,000, it is as much a status symbol as it is an investment. Certain models have been known to appreciate in value over time, making it a wise choice for collectors. 2. Chanel Classic Flap Bag, timeless elegance. The Chanel Classic Flap Bag, designed by Coco Chanel herself, is the epitome of timeless fashion. Featuring the iconic quilted leather and interlocking TC logo, this bag is a favorite among celebrities and fashionistas. With prices starting around $8,000, the Classic Flap is more than just a handbag. It is a piece of fashion history. Its versatility and enduring appeal make it a must-have for any luxury collection. 3. Louis Vuitton Speedy, the quintessential everyday bag. Louis Vuitton's Speedy bag combines functionality with elegance, making it a perfect everyday luxury bag. Its lightweight design, durable canvas, and iconic monogram pattern have made it a staple since its debut in the 1930s. With prices starting at $1,500, the Speedy is one of the most accessible luxury handbags, proving that style and practicality can go hand in hand. 4. Dyer Lady Dyer, a royal favorite. The Lady Dyer, famously carried by Princess Diana, exudes grace and sophistication. Its signature canage stitching, rounded handles, and gold charms make it instantly recognizable. Priced at around $5,000 and up, the Lady Dyer is both a fashionable accessory and a tribute to timeless elegance. Its royal connection adds an extra layer of allure, making it a true icon in the luxury handbag world. 5. Gucci Dionysus, a statement piece. For those who love bold designs, the Gucci Dionysus is a showstopper. With its tiger head clasp and intricate embroidery, this bag is a work of art. Starting at $2,500, the Dionysus has become a modern classic, blending Gucci's rich heritage with contemporary flair. It is perfect for those who want a bag that makes a statement while staying on trend. 6. Prada Galleria, minimalism meets luxury. The Prada Galleria bag is the perfect choice for those who appreciate understated elegance. Crafted from Saffiano leather, it is both durable and luxurious. Its clean lines and spacious design make it ideal for both work and casual outings. Starting at $3,000, the Galleria embodies Prada's commitment to timeless style and functionality. 7. Fendi Baguette, the it bag of the 90s. The Fendi Baguette, popularized by Sex and the City, has made a major comeback. Its compact size and playful designs make it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Prices start at around $2,000, and its nostalgic appeal has made it a must-have for both vintage lovers and modern fashion enthusiasts. 8. Celine Luggage Tote, a contemporary classic. The Celine Luggage Tote is known for its sleek design and distinctive front zip. Launched in the early 2010s, it quickly became a favorite among celebrities and influencers. Starting at $2,400, the luggage tote is a modern classic that combines practicality with high fashion. Its minimalist aesthetic ensures it remains a staple in the luxury market. 9. Balenciaga City Bag, edgy and chic. For those who prefer a more edgy look, the Balenciaga City Bag is a perfect choice. With its distressed leather, studded details, and slouchy silhouette, it has an effortless, rock and roll vibe. Starting at $2,200, this bag has a cult following, and is loved for its unique style and spacious design. 10. YSL Sac de Jour. Sophistication simplified. The YSL Sac de Jour is the epitome of modern sophistication. Its clean lines, structured silhouette, and luxurious leather make it a favorite for both professional and casual settings. Priced at $2,700 and up, the Sac de Jour is a versatile investment piece that embodies Yves Saint Laurent's timeless elegance. Luxury handbags are more than just accessories. They are investments in craftsmanship, history, and style. Whether you are drawn to the timeless appeal of the Chanel classic flap or the bold design of the Gucci Dionysus, there is a luxury handbag out there for every taste and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this ultimate guide to luxury handbags, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion and investment insights. Let us know in the comments which handbag is your dream pick. Until next time, stay stylish and inspired.